Where is the 8? The 8 is a subconscious center covered by the 8 triangles expressed as the opposite arrangement by the two rectangles. It is a subconscious bright from our conscious triangle, but it is not reflect through like the direct replay. Further, it reflects around the different degrees. The rectangle starts scoring the two times of the measures both than the triangle stars. So we can store the extra times and bright to the subconscious folder related to the subplanetary system. It is known as our dreams when we go to the subconscious sleep on the conscious places as the earth. But it dreams not relate to the conscious planet as the earth. So far, it running on the subconscious system through to the subplanet as the moon and it times us. Okay. As conscious is light is the 8 light here. Subconscious bright running as the level as it subconscious. It graph says subconscious level. Subconscious level going as it graph. Okay. Then who are alive in the moon? Who are alive in the moon? We are alive in the moon with our dead persons as the past god and past goddesses. If you know about their anyway of their mind, but their time and tense wasting from V like refraction of the rectangle star rather than the triangle star. Our rectangle sides and bright passing to the moon without dead or lost from our eyes and earth. But our body prohibited to the moon. But our body prohibited to the moon. If we want to go to there and must we want to become to finish the earth life, then you can go to the moon from the earth. Are you then after think? Are you an employee? Are you an employee? If you are an employee, and which job you can, and if you are an employee, and which job you can aim? Yes, you work relating to the time and wage by the labor law. Okay, we have a 12-hour bright time, but we working the 8 hour from the bright, 4 hour rest from the 12. When we finish the job and we going to the home, then we will use the 8 hour for the sleep rest from the 12 hour. 4 hour have extra for the other duty. It was the times usage from the earth. They have another law of the moon related to the duty of our past gods and past goddesses. Their duty bright known as the white moon and their night known as the black moon. They are working in the white moon times and they are going to the sleep when and there to the black moon arriving at there. That is the scale of the dead persons. Then we think going, how can you find the moon flush on the earth? How you can how you can find the moon, how you can find the moon flesh on the earth. How you can how you can find the moon flesh on the earth? Okay, yes, you can find the moon flesh on the crab. The crustacean is the symbol of the symbol of our fourth sign from the zodiac system ruling by the subplanet. When you go to the market for buy the crab and the must, you can choose the black moon days, because when arrive the black moon days, those the two more crab flesh will fulfilled to crust under the crust cover of the crab. If you want to check it flesh measurement, and you can crush the crust, you can crush the crust of the crab. Must you can find two more fleshes within the crust, but you cannot find the two more flushes on the crab when you check it on the white moon days. You can check the crab flush with under the crush cover, the calcium cover. Those time if you check the measure on the black moon circulation period, those time we can check out too many gauge of the flesh on the crab. If the white moon circle, if we crush the crab, those time we cannot find too many flesh on the crab. Those you can find the water only on the crust cover of the Cancer. In the black moon circle, if we crush the crab, those we can find only water within the crab. Okay. Water within the crust, find the water only the crust cover on the Cancer. We believe it water is the state of our past god and past goddesses when they work at the moon on the bright days as the white moons. Although they divine their flesh within to the crab crust when the past god and past goddesses on the sleep after their work at the black moon days. It flesh growing like the white corpuscles on the crab. White corpuscles on the crab. Those. Where is your eighth continent? It says. Here is in the eighth continent named as the Arctic continent. The sunshine partition to the earth as the 8 minute to the earth part of the 8. That traveling 8 minutes faster from the 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 from the two side part of the pentagon from the sun, and if we will receiving the 8 minutes faster to the 8 part of the earth as the northeast, east, southeast, southwest, west, northwest as the 8 part. Here is our 8 on the continent level. Then where is the equality on the landed area? Here is the equality on the landed area. Quantity on the land by the 8 as the north is equal to northeast is equal to east is equal to southeast, southeast is equal to south, south is equal to southwest, southwest is equal to west, west is equal to northwest. It is the measurement of the count of the equality in here is how rotated the earth within the imagine our earth rotating the time right to the left as the opposition of the land rotation, that is our time scale. Time scale, how rotate the earth from left to the right, those not related to the, nor to relate our things rotation every time traveling the opposite direction of the earth. So our thing rotate from the right to the left, earth rotating light from the light to the earth. If we cover if we cover our sense by the globe, our sense is the calendar, our reality is the map. When we think the rotation by the times, those time we cover the earth by the calendar. That calendar, how we can cover the calendar here, you can check out how we will cover the calendar here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Earth day is the enlarged scale of the earth. Okay. It is the real times upon the real field upon the field. Field is the calendar, field is the earth. The field when we will understood by the divine rest as the D, those time we can find with our light where falling where is fall our light upon the earth, those time we can calculate the measurement of our light to the field of the light when falling to the product or the falling to the area as the landed area as the field to became field. That is the 8-12 system teaching to you. Okay. In that were the four. Then next page we can add another topic related to the 8-12 system. That not related to the another system. That is the we can talk that system next page. Okay.